Okay, so this is going to be a market recap for NQ on the 14th of April. Um, so let's kind of see what we have going on here. I did not get a chance to do this yesterday, unfortunately. I was kind of busy all day, and this morning I was busy, so I'm now getting my chance. So what do we have here on the hour? On the hour, we have a couple things. One, we have a new week opening gap. One. Two, we do have, believe it or not, a sweep of liquidity of this high, which you will see right there. So we do in fact sweep the high. Um, and that was my basis for looking short. Um, well, short but long short term. Why? We'll get into that when we get into the lower time frames. So now that we understand that we have a sweep of liquidity on the H1, how is it? There we go. Now we know we have a sweep of liquidity on the H1. We should be looking short, and we should be looking to possibly and probably close a new week opening gap. So let's go into a 15-minute. Actually, let's just do this on one. Just do this on one page. Makes life a little easier. Took a trade today, another break even, but I'll go over that in a separate video. Okay, cool. So 15-minute, what do we have? 15-minute. See that once we come up, we have this massive expanse down. I'm looking to trade the reaction of this. Why am I trading the reaction? Well, let's see what it is we took out. We took out one low, two lows, three lows. This is a lot of liquidity. This is liquidity pretty much until midnight opening, which is here, midnight opening. So really and truly, we're taking out a lot of liquidity in this area. So I'm looking to trade the reaction. So if you go down to a 1 minute, we get to see everything pretty clearly here. If we go down to a 1 minute, we see, if we're counting our structure points, we're seeing we have a high here, we have a high here, we have a high here. Now, what we have to notice and realize is there are two things going on with this last high. One, we come into the FEG, push lower, and we do go lower. However, we do not close below. We only wick below. So for me, understanding that, oh, why is that not letting me? Oh, there it goes. So me understanding that we have this 15-minute internal sweep. We have now a 1 minute sweep of liquidity. We should be looking to go long. Where do I go long from if I'm going long? Well, we have this leg, we have this inverse, and we have our entry. As you can see, entry is pretty much right at that open. So it's like this, stop below the low, like so. Target was this one. Because I know that I'm short overall. I'm only trading this reaction. And the only reason I'm trading this reaction is because I have a sweep of liquidity. Now, as you can see, price came up, went to my break-even point, went break-even, and then you can see we closed out break-even. Ultimately, price did come back in, and then we took off again, and ultimately hit it. But I'm in the game of preserving capital. I don't want to expose myself too much, and you know, for instance, if I didn't go break even today, or sorry, yesterday, yeah, I would have hit TP. But using that same logic, I would have taken a loss today. So I try to keep it as consistent as possible, mitigate risks. What I really should do is see whether or not it's profitable or more profitable to not even move your stop to break even. Personally, I don't think it is, but yeah. So yeah, that's the first trade.